Alright people, welcome back in my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto Socio. Alright, over there we are now hiding to, Matai Mountain. You know what? Not so far from Banda Aceh. Just only, 7 kilometers or 15 kilometers from Banda Aceh. Imagine that this guy just, this guy gonna get cigarette, smoke cigarette here, just waiting something like ghost here. You know what? He's just waiting, and then this guy, including this guy, they love, they love sit here, just enjoying this panorama, the view, the air. You know what? This thought is still fresh air. You know what? Fresh air, very, very awesome. You know what? Because, fresh air make us very help, and then fresh air make us very awesome, because, fresh air make us very, very awesome, I think. And then, if you wanna go somewhere, like, this Lawah Mountain, and then, like Yamatai Mountain, you know what, go somewhere, it's very, very awesome. So I just share you something, Banda Aceh very, very awesome, very wonderful. You know what, it's Banda Aceh everywhere, like, the lamp, the light, every single street, every single junction, you know what, everywhere. And when you go somewhere, like every villages, you know what, everywhere, very lightness. This is Banda Aceh, very totally awesome. Alright, my spinner up, don't forget to come to Indonesia or Aceh, because this is very, very awesome. This guy is still waiting about ghosts, you know what, but we just waiting for something here, you know what, but no one come. Alright, my spinner up, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.